Hey beautiful people, it's Juliet here and we will be making these sumptuous pancakes. Thank you for cooking with me today. Thank you for your support and I really appreciate it. And I'll be starting with dry ingredients. I have all-purpose flour. All the ingredient measurement will be listed in description box below. Sugar, totally optional. Baking powder. A pinch of salt. Incorporate the ingredient together. You might be wondering why so much baking powder. Baking powder helps us to achieve that fluffy, airy pancake, and that's what we want to achieve every time we make pancake. When it's properly mixed, set aside and get another bowl, and we'll be mixing all the liquid ingredient together in this new bowl. And I'm using full fat milk. You can use any milk you like, almond milk, coconut milk, and I have butter, egg, vanilla. I just want the vanilla flavor. This is optional. You don't need to have vanilla, or if you like any flavor of your choice, might be strawberry or chocolate flavor. We are going to be mixing the dry and the liquid ingredient together. Pancake mix tends to have lumps a lot. Don't mix too much. They melt. The lumps melt when you are cooking it. But try as much as you can to get rid of the lumps. I'll be mixing with my spoon. With this spoon, I take out most of the lumps. Not everything, but the obvious ones. If you want to add anything like chocolate chips, or if you have any special ingredient, this is the right time to add it and mix everything together. With my pan on the stove, I'll go in with a slice of butter. I scoop with my spoon. You can scoop with anything you are comfortable with. When you see it making bubbles on top, that is the right time to flip. If you don't see bubbles on top of your pancake, it's not the right time to flip yet. It means the other side of the pancake is ready. I did this till the crust was finished. To make your pancakes on a low heat. When it's getting to brown quickly, you know the heat is too much. You have to reduce it. and my pancakes are ready. It's time to decorate it. This is totally optional. You don't need to put fruit on your pancake. You can eat without syrup. You can eat with syrup. My 1.5 cup of flour gave me 4 pieces of pancake, so I had to mix another 1.5 to get 8. And I'm not the only one eating it. We are like four of us. And here I am done decorating, and I'm using syrup. All this fancy are totally optional. You don't need to be this extreme. This was just a show off. I don't eat my pancake like this every time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.